Why you cannot get in?
It's too high.
Why? Who put it higher? Oh, there you go. Bakit di ka maka... Oh. Buti nilinisan mo yun. Maghapon mong ginawa?
Maghapon lang. Paano hindi man lang niya inyo?
Eh, paano matrabaho naman yun?
Mama, I didn't hit you there. Parang maganda sana makita yung ano. Ngayon di maliwanag na siya. Everybody move! Everybody move!
Everybody move. Oh, wow. Ang galing nga.
You want to do this one?
Okay.
I didn't hit you, Mama.
No, you're not gonna hit Grandma.
I didn't.
Oh, see? You're not gonna hit Grandma. I hit you, Grandma. Nakagat na naman ng lamok. Oh, oh, kapit. Don't touch your Pepe.
And my Pepe's kind of up. And my Pepe potted.
No.
Yeah.
Look at Jewel. Hi, Jewel. Ba't ganun na yung mukha ni Jewel?
Oh. Hi.
Parang nag-iba na yung mukha niya.
Yeah?
Yung mukha ni Jewel. Matanda na rin. Kaedad mo lang si Jewel, mother.
Mommy, no hand. Mommy, no hand.
Really? Again.
Ready, Mom?
Okay.
How you pour and put it on?
Okay.
Everybody move. Everybody move. Move. Move, Mom. Move.
Wow! Ang galing ha.
I need to go.
Oh yeah, you need to play your playground now.
Nilagyan mo na naman ng daga yung ano mo.
Yung,
Yan.
did you put dirt on it?
No. You don't put dirt. I need to put on this. Ooh.
Oo.
Aw.
It's not, yeah, that's a nice one.
This one.
Hello, Team Amazing Gilana. Ayan, naglalaro lang si Gilana. Laro-laro. Gilana, naglalaro ka lang maghapon? Did you read your book today? Gilana,
What?
it's summer. Did you read your book today?
Yes.
How many times? How many page?
Pod.
5 page? Oh, okay. Nagbasa siya, mother? 5 page daw. Gilana, 5, take away 1, how many left?
Paul.
Galing ah. Marunong na siya nating na mo ah. Mag-subtract kita. 5, take away 1, how many?
Paul.
Okay.
Pod. Prim ready.
2, how many left?
Tea.
Ah.
Biglang.
Agoy, may mumu.
No, Mama.
Ay, biglang tangkad niya.
Oo nga, tumangkad nga siya.
Kaya usod.
You're taller now. Wow.
Okay, dito.
Ay, sana dyan na naman yung mga mumu mo.
Kaya na nga isuot na kita. Pagpaan lang kita. Samantala lang kita duwa ayaw.
Oh, it's broken.
Important.
It's broken. But that's really hurt, that ball. I don't like that ball, anak. That's really hurt.
Yeah, that actually hit my eye.